I posted a YouTube short every day for 30 days, and here's what happened. YouTube has now taken on TikTok and Instagram by introducing what they call shorts. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Shorter, vertical videos to appeal to the decreasing attention span of youth everywhere. That is just too honest. But I thought I'd give them a try, and I was pretty pessimistic of how this would go. Number one, I thought they'd get about as many views as my normal videos. You've probably seen it by now, but shorts from channels you follow appear in your subscription feed now, which is actually just the worst design ever. YouTube, make a way to disable shorts from my subscription feed. Next, I thought they wouldn't pay out simply because they're too short. Advertisers want eyes on videos, but they also want watch time. The one silver lining I could see is YouTube Shorts driving traffic to my channel. And that's what I thought I'd do. I'd simply make trailers for the videos that are already on my channel. Now, I did post a few original pieces, and I'll get to those because surprisingly, they got more views. So today marks the end of 30 days. And now we're gonna jump into the analytics on my channel. So first of all, how many views did my shorts drive? Well, if you take a look here, my views are up 44,000, which is actually incredible. I mean, the more important number here, if you're looking, is the 39K more than usual. So that means compared to what my videos normally drive, I'm up 39,000 views. I mean, overall, these shorts got way more views than my normal videos. So far, so good. But let's take a look at a few of the videos. So most of my shorts that were from like my Yosemite trip that I just made into, I cut them up, turned them into short little trailers. They made it anywhere in the 1,000 to 2,000 range, which is pretty clutch. The others stayed between 100 and 1,000. So still not bad. I mean, still a lot more compared to what the normal traffic on my videos are. Now, there is one original short that I did as almost like a test toward the beginning of these 30 days. I took a couple iPhone videos of my friend during the Super Bowl. He's a big Eagles fan. I mean, I truly took them as a joke, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this 30 days of 30 shorts. And I took a couple videos, spliced them together, put some short text. It actually took me 5 minutes to make. And that short is currently sitting at over 20K. That initially got me excited. When I saw that video took off, I was like, man, this might actually drive more traffic to my channel, and who knows what's in store. So we can see here that shorts really can bring in views, especially if you gain some traction by posting about current events or trends, kind of like I did with the Super Bowl one. All right, let's jump into watch time. So according to this, my watch time hours went up by about 200 hours. Is this 200 more than normal? Again, pleasantly surprised, especially because shorts are short. But when you look at the breakdown though, you quickly realize that the watch time hours went up only because of quantity and not quality. So I love that the YouTube Studio gives you these analytic breakdowns. People watched almost that entire Super Bowl short, which was great, but a lot of my other shorts, people only viewed about 2% of the entire short. That's short. I'm gonna get so tired of saying that by the end of this video. But still, my watch time hours went up. Again, pleasantly surprised. Next, how many new subscribers? As you can see here, nearing almost 100 new subscribers. There's actually the coolest part of all this. I mean, I'm excited that 100 new people are subscribed to my channel, especially for a small channel. But to be honest, I'm not as thrilled about subscribers as I was before. At the beginning of YouTube, it was all about like, hey, how many subscribers do you have? Like, that shows how big your channel is. But honestly, according to the analytics in the YouTube Studio, most people who watch my videos aren't subscribed anyway. Yeah, if you look at this line here, these are my subscribers who watch my video. Hardly anyone who's subscribed to my channel watches my videos. And these are all randos. These are people who found my videos through the search feed or it came across on their shorts. So yeah, if you are subscribed to the channel, this is a call out to you to actually watch my videos or just unsubscribe. Super simple. But while we're on that note, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you can go do that right now by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you're notified anytime I post a video, and actually watch my videos when I post them. Last but not least, and probably what everyone wants to know, how much money did these shorts rack up? $2. I'm gonna buy a new car. Out of all my predictions, I admit I was wrong about all of them, but I was spot on with this one. My views increased, my watch time increased, my subscribers even increased. Revenue, nothing. If anything, I think it went down. This Super Bowl video got over 20K views, and so far I've made $2 on it. The other videos have made barely a cent. I mean, YouTube wants to pay out for shorts, but honestly, I don't think advertisers are willing to pay the same amount as they do on long form videos. So will I be posting shorts in the future? I don't know. Maybe every now and then. I'm not a huge fan, but let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.